How to fix your Mac's microphone not working? Find out which mic your Mac is using and test it. If you have a few external mics connected to Mac, check which microphone Mac is using. You can do that by simply talking to Siri. With this method, you can also determine if your Mac's or external mic is at fault and if it doesn't work only when using a specific app. Give necessary permissions. From the menu bar, click on the Apple logo. Then click on System Preferences. Go to Security and Privacy Settings. Click on the Privacy tab. Then, select Microphone. On the right side, locate your app that's trying to use the mic and check the box next to it to allow microphone access. Reset mic permissions. For Mac OS Mojave and Catalina, open the Terminal app. In the terminal window, enter the command sudo rm-rf/application/support/com.apple.tcc. Enter your Mac's password. The password won't be shown in the terminal window. When the command is executed, reboot your Mac. Now, give all the necessary mic permissions as in the second method. Reinstall app. If all permissions were given and the mic still doesn't work with the app, reinstall it. Open Finder and select the Applications folder. Find the app and right-click on it. When a menu appears, click on Move to Trash and delete it from the trash. Then download the app again. Restart your Mac. If you determine that the issue is with your Mac, the first thing you should do is to reboot it. A restart will give your Mac a fresh start and eliminate any minor bugs and glitches that could interfere with the microphone. Adjust mic sound input settings. From the menu bar, click on the Apple logo. Then, click on System Preferences. Go to Sound Settings. Click on the Input tab. Select your microphone. Now, try to speak and check if the bars next to input level fill up. If you see only a few of them fill up, then that's a good sign. You can also adjust the input volume by increasing the value for a better response. Enable Dictation. Click on the Apple logo. Then, click on System Preferences. Go to Keyboard Settings. Click on the Dictation tab. Next to Dictation, select On. Then click on Enable Dictation. Reset Pram. Shut down your Mac. When the Mac is turned off, turn it on again. As soon as you turn it on, press and hold the Option, Command, P, and R keys on your keyboard. For Macs with a T2 chip, hold the keys until you see your Mac restart for the second time. You'll see the Apple logo appear for the second time. For older Macs, hold the keys until you hear the second startup chime. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. Combo Cleaner also offers a disk cleaner that will help you clean out the junk accumulated on your Mac. A big files finder that will help you find files that take up the most space on your Mac. A duplicate file finder, which will easily find all duplicate files on local and external hard drives. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel